Okay, welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian, English with Adrian, helping you to increase your vocabulary, expand your confidence, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's have a look at prepositions. Prepositions, what they're all about, and how do you use them in English? See, prepositions show us where things are and the relation between different clauses such as time, place, or reason. Time, place, or reason. Shows you how things are connected together. Where it is, where, and how things are related. Ah. So, simple prepositions, which help us to know where things are followed by a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase. Hmm. There is a canal. There is a cattery. There is a train station by my home. There is a road, a street by my home. By shows that the canal is next to the home. By meaning next to. I have a watch by my side. I have a book by my desk, by my chair. I have a phone here by my side. Oh, I go to the gym on Monday. Go to the gym. On, showing which day I go to the gym. I go to the gym on a Wednesday. I go to the gym on every day of the week. Now, complex prepositions are made up of 2 plus words. The train station is next to the bus station. Next to. The neighbours are next door, next to me. They are next door to me. Separable. Next door to me. Next showing that something is right beside something else. So we have by. I have a book by my side. It's by the lamp. It's by the mouse. I have another book on the desk. A book on the desk. I go to the gym on Wednesday. And then we have next to. Next to. I have a printer next to me. I have a window next to me. Yeah, window. When we have parallel prepositions, when the same preposition applies to more than one word, then it needs to only be used once, making the sentence parallel. So look, I sent a gift to James and Tom. We don't need to explicitly say to Tom. Just, I sent a gift to James and to Tom. Otherwise, you're repeating yourself. I sent a gift to them. However, sometimes we need to use different prepositions for different words and clauses. Look at and listen to the car. So not always consistent. Look at and listen to the film. Look at me and listen to me. However, prepositions and gerunds. When a verb comes straight after a preposition, then it becomes a gerund. So a preposition, gerund, by adding ing. Nicely straightforward. After landing, I went to the hotel. After landing in Gibraltar, after happened before landing, I went to the Airbnb. After swimming, I went to have something to eat. Before climbing, I will practice and I'll get ready. Instead of, you've got a choice of things. I'll have this instead of that. Instead of eating at the restaurant, we went to the airport. Instead of eating at the restaurant, we went to McDonald's. Instead of talking, we went for a discotheque, to the nightclub. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Prepositions at the end of sentences, as sometimes they can come at the end and not just at the start. Ah. So I'm watching some movies. I'll watch some movies, yeah. I'm watching some movies. I'm teaching some lessons today. In fact, I will be having I will be having a Chinese lesson soon after this. I like having something to watch. To watch. Ah, yes, it talks about the relationship between different clauses and things. But let's look more at this to, though. To, as it can be confusing, as it used as both preposition and an infinitive. Like we use the infinitive verb to see, and not just a preposition, to see. I'm going to see what's happening at the party. Are you going to see what happened? Are you going to see your sister tonight? Ah. Here's a phrasal verb like look forward to. So it is a preposition and placed by a noun, pronoun, and gerund. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I am looking forward to uploading this video. In fact, I'm looking forward to early October so I can then record so many more videos and do so much content. I've got so many ideas. Yes, it's going to be exciting. Exciting. I'm looking forward to getting 1,000 subscribers, actually. I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to a few other things as well. But it's like, oh, you've got to be patient. Patient, got to be patient. I'm watching, I'm looking for some opportunities in the market. Yeah, yeah. So we have next to, next to, next to, not far, like just here, next to, and by, something is next to something else, and on top of something. Yeah, yeah, very good. So that's a nice little summary of more advanced prepositions, more intricate. However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and begin speaking like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.